Okay, student, now we are going to solve question number 4 of exercise 4.3. The statement of question number 4 is simplify. We are going to solve the fifth part of this question, which is x under root plus y under root into x under root minus y under root into x plus y into x square plus y square. So we will simplify these surds. So in solution, we will write the statement again: x under root plus y under root into x under root minus y under root into x plus y into x square plus y square. All the numbers are multiplying each other. If we observe that both the values are same but their signs are different, so we can apply the formula a plus b into a minus b. By using the formula a plus b into a minus b, we will simplify it, so it becomes a square. So a plus b into a minus b will become a square minus b square. So the value of a is x under root and the value of b is y under root. So here we form the formula a square minus b square. Now the other terms will be written as it is: x plus y into x square plus y square. Other factors will be written as it is. Now we are going to simplify. Square will cancel out square root, so we will have x minus, here the square will cancel out the square root, so we will have y. So it becomes x minus y factor, and the second factor is x plus y into x square plus y square. If we observe that the values are same and their signs are different, so here again the formula a minus b into a plus b is going to be applied, which is equal to a square minus b square. So we here make the formula a square minus b square. So it is the value of a, which is x, and it is the value of b, which is y. So by multiplying these two factors, we will make a formula a square minus b square. Then the next factor x square plus y square will be written as it is. If we simplify, then we will have x square. By taking the square of y, we will have y square into x square plus y square. And if we observe again that both the numbers are same and their sign are different, so it becomes a minus b and it becomes a plus b, and the formula a square minus b square is going to be applied. So by multiplying, we can form a formula which is a square minus b square. So the value of a is x square and the value of b is y square. By simplifying, if we take the square of x square, we will have x4, and if we take the square of y square, so it becomes y raised power 4. So by simplifying, we will have x raised power 4 minus y raised power 4. So in question number 4, we can use the formulas or to simplify these factors or algebraic expressions. So it is our exercise 4.3. If you have any problem, please comment, and I hope you will understand. And if you have any problem, please comment and ask any type of question.